He's having bad dreams. You need to go in the cage, buddy, because I'm not sure about you. You remind me you may be cuckoo. You know what? I'm not real sure we can just leave you out. Well, sit down there and take a break. You must have got into some rat poison or something. You want to go in the cage over there? Maybe we can get you a doctor down here with a little white jacket. What do you think about that? 3 meals a day, a nice warm bed. Huh? Buddy, I'm sure you need some real help here. What do you think? Or do you even think? Hey, something happened to you, ain't there? Come on, buddy. Come on, right over here. Come on. Come on, buddy. Come on. Right over here, buddy. They say you're crazy. Come on, buddy. Come on. Right over here. That's a good boy. Come on. Come on. That's a good boy. Come on. Come on. Right over here in this cage. Come on. That way the booger bears can't get you. Come on. Yeah, them are hand-cooped dynamic, your muddy terrain tires. Come on. Look out now. Don't be biting my tires. Right over here, buddy, in this cage. Yeah. Come on. Come on. Right there you go. Good boy. Good boy. See, you've done that before, haven't you? You're a circus raccoon. That's what you are. Yeah. We'll put you in the circus. Yeah. You just rest in there. You've had a rough night, buddy. You can tell he's a real tame raccoon. He just went in that cage, didn't he? So yeah, I did. I know, but you're really better off in there. We can't have you running around out here and you stirred up Tootsie and Willie. You just stirred up the whole crowd this morning. And for all you coon hunters, that's how you catch a coon. You just call him and get him to walk right up into the cage. No sense in all them guns and dogs and chasing all night long, a hooping and a hollering. Just call him and put him in the cage.